Welcome everyone. Today we're not just talking about finishing a degree, we're focusing on building a lasting academic career. Scopus and Web of Science are the gold standards for research publication, and our goal is to ensure your work doesn't just sit in a library but reaches the global stage. We use the Hourglass Theory and AI tools to double your impact. The two-paper mindset is key. Extract two distinct papers from your research, maximizing your output and influence. Let's dive into this strategic blueprint for high-impact publishing. Many students believe one thesis equals one paper, but that's a missed opportunity. Think of your research as a gold mine. By separating your work into two papers, one systematic literature review and one empirical study, you double your publication count without doubling your workload. Both papers share the same foundational literature, making your efforts more efficient and impactful. This decoupling strategy is about recognizing distinct stories within your research and leveraging them for maximum visibility and academic success. Publishing avoids slicing your data too thin, a common mistake known as the salami method. Instead, use the decoupling approach. Identify distinct narratives within your research project. Paper 1 can be a systematic literature review or bibliometric analysis, mapping out everything known about your topic. Paper 2 focuses on your primary empirical data and original findings. This strategy ensures each paper has a clear purpose and contributes meaningfully to your field. Efficiency is crucial in academic publishing. By using the same literature base for both papers, you streamline your research process. This approach allows you to fuel two different publication aims without redundant effort. It's about maximizing your research output and ensuring each paper stands on its own while contributing to the broader scientific conversation. Leveraging AI tools can further enhance this efficiency, helping you organize and analyze your literature quickly. The hourglass theory is the structural secret to high-impact publishing. Imagine your paper as an hourglass. Start broad in the introduction, narrow down in the methods and results, and widen again in the discussion. This logical flow is what reviewers look for. If your discussion doesn't connect your findings back to the global problem, your paper may be rejected for being too local or insignificant. The hourglass ensures your work is relevant and impactful. Begin your paper with a wide top, the introduction. Start with a global problem to hook the reader, then funnel down to the specific research gap. End the introduction with your precise objective. This structure captures the editor's attention and sets the stage for your study. It's essential to clearly articulate what is unknown and how your research aims to address it, ensuring your paper is positioned for high-impact publication. Narrow neck of the hourglass represents your methods and results. This is the precision zone, no opinions, just facts. Provide enough detail so researchers anywhere can replicate your work exactly. AI can help you format technical descriptions for clarity and consistency. This section is the technical core of your paper, focused strictly on the what and how, ensuring your research is robust and reproducible. Wide base of the hourglass is your discussion and conclusion. Here, you move from your specific results back to the global problem. Explain how your narrow findings address the broader issue. If you don't widen the base, your paper may seem too small for high-impact journals. This section is where you demonstrate the significance of your work and its contribution to the field. Viewers prioritize logical flow above all else. The hourglass structure ensures your paper transitions smoothly from broad context to narrow methods and back to broad implications. This logical coherence is essential for acceptance in Q1 and Q2 journals. By following this structure, you make your research accessible, relevant, and impactful, increasing your chances of publication success. 2026, writing without AI is like traveling without a GPS. AI tools are essential for efficiency, not replacement. Use Scopus/WoS API-connected tools like Elicit or Consensus to find the top-cited papers in your niche. This builds a powerhouse bibliography in minutes. AI helps you organize, analyze, and draft your research, making the publication process faster and more effective. Move beyond traditional search engines. Use AI tools like Elicit and Consensus to find Scopus index gaps. These tools help you identify contradictions and disagreements in recent research, revealing your research gap instantly. Mapping citation networks with ResearchRabbit uncovers the most influential papers in your field. AI-driven search hacks streamline your literature review and strengthen your research foundation. AI tools can build a powerhouse bibliography in minutes. By connecting to Scopus and WoS APIs, you can quickly find the top 10 most cited papers in your niche from the last 3 years. This ensures your literature review is comprehensive and up-to-date, making your research more credible and impactful. Efficient bibliography building is a game-changer for academic publishing. Use large language models, LLMs, to reverse outline your draft. Ask AI to scan your draft and check if your conclusion successfully answers the research gap identified in the introduction. This ensures logical coherence and strengthens your paper's structure. AI-powered reverse outlining helps you refine your argument and improve your chances of acceptance in high-impact journals. AI can help transform your writing into an academic tone. It turns informal statements like, "I think this is important," into authoritative phrases such as, "These findings suggest a significant paradigm shift." Use tools like Writeful or Grammarly for academic phrasing. Polishing your language with AI ensures your paper meets the standards of high-impact journals and communicates your findings effectively. AI is your co-pilot in drafting and refining your paper. Use tools like Claude or ChatGPT as structural editors. Prompt them to analyze your introduction for funnel structure and identify logic gaps. AI helps you maintain hourglass flow, ensuring your paper transitions smoothly from introduction to methods, results, and discussion. Always verify every citation AI provides, be the human filter for accuracy. Use AI tools like Writeful and Grammarly to polish your language and tone. These tools help you achieve the academic gravitas required for high-impact journals. They refine your phrasing, correct grammar, and ensure your writing is clear and professional. Polished language enhances your credibility and increases your chances of acceptance in prestigious journals. AI is powerful, but it can hallucinate, generate inaccurate or fabricated information. Reviewers are trained to spot AI-generated errors. Always verify every citation and fact provided by AI tools. Use AI for polishing and outlining, never for faking data. Maintaining integrity and accuracy is essential for successful publication and professional reputation. Thesis is like a tombstone, heavy and stationary. A journal paper is a missile, fast and targeted. Do not copy-paste chapters from your thesis. Instead, apply the hourglass theory to a single chapter and use AI to trim it down to a sharp, focused paper. The goal is to move from proving you know something to proving you discovered something new. Extraction strategy involves reducing a 200-page thesis chapter to a 6,000-word journal paper. Use AI to summarize your methodology for a journal-specific format. Repurpose your content by refocusing the audience from examiners to the global scientific community. This approach ensures your paper is concise, relevant, and ready for high-impact publication. Repurposing content means adapting your thesis material for journal publication. Use AI to help summarize and restructure your methodology, making it suitable for a journal audience. Focus on clarity, brevity, and relevance. Changing your audience from examiners to the global scientific community ensures your paper is impactful and accessible. Refocusing your paper means shifting from proving knowledge to proving discovery. Use AI to identify the core findings and present them in a sharp, targeted manner. This approach transforms your thesis into a journal paper that highlights your unique contribution to the field. Focus on the missile, the single, sharp discovery that sets your work apart. Editor is your first hurdle in the publication process. They decide in 5 minutes whether to send your paper for review or desk reject it. Your cover letter is your sales pitch. State your novelty clearly and explain how your work aligns with the journal's aims and scope. Use AI to compare your abstract with the journal's about page and find matching keywords. Your cover letter should not repeat your abstract. Instead, explicitly state how your paper fits the journal's aims and scope. Use AI to analyze your abstract and the journal's about page, identifying matching keywords and phrases. This targeted approach increases your chances of getting past the editor and moving to the review stage. Reviewer 2 is often the toughest critic. Never take their comments personally. Use the response table method, column 1 for reviewer comment, column 2 for your change, and column 3 for location in text. This systematic approach demonstrates professionalism and responsiveness, increasing your chances of acceptance and publication. Point-by-point response table is essential for revisions. List each reviewer comment, your corresponding change, and the location in the text. This transparent and organized method shows editors and reviewers that you have addressed feedback thoroughly. Consistency and professionalism in your responses set you apart as a published author. Consistency and professionalism during the revision phase are crucial. Always show, don't just tell, the changes you made. Use the response table to document every adjustment. This approach demonstrates your commitment to quality and increases your credibility with editors and reviewers. Professionalism in responding to reviewer comments is what separates published authors from students. Stay calm, be systematic, and address every point thoroughly. This attitude not only improves your paper but also builds your reputation as a reliable and respected researcher in your field. High-impact publishing isn't about being the smartest person in the room, it's about being the most structured and efficient. Use the hourglass theory to guide your logic and AI tools to accelerate your output. This mindset ensures your research is not only published but also recognized and cited by the global scientific community. Let's recap the hourglass theory. Start broad with the global context, narrow down to precise methods and results, then widen out again in the discussion. This structure ensures logical flow and relevance, making your paper suitable for high-impact journals. Always connect your findings back to the bigger picture. AI integration is essential for modern research. Use AI tools for search hacks, drafting, outlining, and polishing. Always verify AI-generated content for accuracy. AI accelerates your workflow, helps you identify research gaps, and ensures your paper meets academic standards. Embrace AI as your research assistant, not your replacement. Transforming your thesis into a journal paper requires strategic extraction, repurposing, and refocusing. Use the hourglass theory and AI tools to streamline this process. Focus on the core discovery and present it in a concise, targeted format. This approach ensures your work is relevant, impactful, and ready for high-impact publication. Strategic blueprint for high-impact publishing combines the hourglass theory, AI-powered tools, and a professional mindset. By following this roadmap, you maximize your research output, enhance your credibility, and ensure your work reaches the global scientific community. Structure, efficiency, and professionalism are the keys to success. Always connect your research to the global context. Editors and reviewers look for papers that address significant problems and contribute to broader scientific knowledge. Use the hourglass structure to ensure your discussion links your findings back to the global issue. This focus increases your paper's relevance and impact. AI tools streamline every stage of the publication process. From searching literature to drafting, outlining, and polishing, AI accelerates your workflow and enhances your research quality. Embrace AI for efficiency, but always maintain human oversight for accuracy and integrity. Efficient use of AI is a hallmark of successful researchers. Logical coherence is the foundation of high-impact publishing. The hourglass structure ensures your paper flows naturally from introduction to methods, results, and discussion. Reviewers value clear, logical transitions and relevance to global issues. Maintain coherence throughout your paper to increase your chances of acceptance. Professionalism is essential at every stage of publishing. From crafting your cover letter to responding to reviewer comments, maintain a respectful and systematic approach. Professionalism builds your reputation and increases your chances of publication success. Treat every interaction as an opportunity to demonstrate your commitment to quality. Responding to reviewer feedback is a critical step in the publication process. Use the response table method to address each comment thoroughly. Show the changes you made and provide clear explanations. This transparent approach demonstrates your professionalism and increases your chances of acceptance. Every published paper builds your academic reputation. Consistency, professionalism, and efficiency are key. Use the Hourglass Theory and AI tools to ensure your research is structured, relevant, and impactful. A strong reputation opens doors to further opportunities and collaborations in the scientific community. Let's summarize the key strategies. Use the two-paper mindset to maximize your output. Apply the Hourglass Theory for logical structure. Leverage AI tools for efficiency and accuracy. Maintain professionalism throughout the publication process. These strategies ensure your research is published, recognized, and cited globally. The practical publishing blueprint combines structural logic, AI integration, and professional conduct. Follow the hourglass structure, use AI for search and drafting, and respond systematically to feedback. This blueprint streamlines your workflow and increases your chances of success in high-impact journals. High-impact publishing is about structure and efficiency, not just intelligence. Use the Hourglass Theory to guide your logic and AI tools to accelerate your output. Stay professional, systematic, and focused on global relevance. Your research deserves to be seen, cited, and celebrated worldwide. As you move forward, apply these strategies to your own research projects. Start with the two-paper mindset, structure your work with the hourglass, and integrate AI tools for efficiency. Maintain professionalism in all interactions. These steps will help you achieve high-impact publication and build a successful academic career. Embrace innovation in your research and publishing process. AI tools and structured logic are transforming academic publishing. Stay ahead by adopting these technologies and approaches. Innovation ensures your research is relevant, impactful, and recognized by the global scientific community. Publishing in high-impact journals is about building a career, not just finishing a degree. Use the strategies discussed to ensure your research reaches the global stage. Structure, efficiency, and professionalism are your tools for success. Aim for recognition, collaboration, and lasting impact in your field. Remember, high-impact publishing is within your reach. Use the hourglass structure, leverage AI tools, and maintain professionalism. Your research has the potential to make a difference globally. Stay focused, be strategic, and let your work shine in the world's leading journals. Thank you for joining this journey toward academic excellence.